Good morning. It's the 13th of February, a Tuesday. Markets are relatively quiet today. In agriculture, we've got kind of a mixed bag in the grains. Cotton is a little bit lower, drifting off of light volume. Let's take a look at some of what's going on right now. Let's take a look here. We have Asian stock markets closed mostly up. European stock markets currently trading mostly down, and the U.S. stock indexes right now, the futures indexes are down some. We had a good day yesterday in the stock market that seemed to stabilize a lot of things. Things are quiet today, as I mentioned on the agricultural front. Yesterday's talk with the big move up in grains led by soybeans was due to weather in South America. They're looking at in southern Brazil, they're looking at drier weather conditions looking forward, and in northern Argentina also looking at dry weather that's affecting the crop down there, and that's been what supported. Saw very strong soybean meal sales, and that is attributed to this dryness in South America. So we're in a weather market, we're in a South American weather market. It can turn on a dime and suddenly just all the gains evaporate if there's a sudden change in the weather. Let's just take a look at the markets. Cotton has, over the last 10 minutes, has dropped from unchanged to down about 15, 76.30 in March cotton. The low is 76.20, the high is 76.50. So a relatively quiet night, 30-point range from low to high. Soybeans up 3/4 at $10 and $10.02 and a half, high of $10.03 and 3/4, low of $9.98 and 3/4. That's also tight, which is not a bad sign to have big gains like we saw yesterday in a highly volatile weather market. To come in this morning and have the market still holding its ground, not a bad sign. Corn's down 3/4 of a cent at 366 and a quarter. The low is 366. The low is 366 and 3/4. A range of 3/4 of a cent. Also very tight. Wheat down a penny and 3/4. 462 and a quarter. High of 467 and a quarter. A low of 460 and a half. Crude oil is down 28 cents a barrel in March crude at 59.01. The dollar down 42. That's a pretty good move down. And gold is up $3. Silver is down 1 cent. S&P down 9. We're not looking at much coming out today. API energy stocks at 3:30. Tomorrow is the big day. We're going to have a lot of numbers that will reflect what to expect from inflation, which in fact will in turn affect these markets. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.